Why do myoclonic seizures cause sudden body jerks? Imagine your muscles suddenly twitch or jerk without warning. That's what happens during a myoclonic seizure. These quick, involuntary movements can happen so fast that you might not even realize they're seizures at first. But what causes these sudden body jerks? The answer lies deep within the brain's electrical activity. Myoclonic seizures happen because of abnormal bursts of electrical signals in parts of the brain that control muscle movements. Specifically, they involve the motor cortex, which is the outer layer of the brain responsible for voluntary muscle control, and the thalamus, a deep brain structure that helps relay signals between different parts of the brain. When these areas become hypoxidubed, they produce synchronized discharges or bursts of electrical activity that send faulty signals down the nerve pathways to your muscles. These electrical bursts travel along the pyramidal motor pathways, which are the main routes that carry signals from the brain to muscles. When these signals reach the muscles, they cause them to contract suddenly and briefly. Because these contractions are so quick, lasting only milliseconds, they appear as rapid, shock-like jerks. Sometimes these jerks happen once, and other times they can occur repeatedly in quick succession. One important thing to understand is that these jerks are usually brief and do not affect consciousness. People often remain aware during the seizure because the abnormal activity is mainly focused on the motor pathways, not the parts of the brain responsible for awareness or thinking. Myoclonic seizures can be triggered by various factors, including genetic predispositions that affect how nerve cells fire. For example, some people have mutations in genes that control ion channels or neurotransmitter receptors, making their brain cells more likely to become hypoxidubed. These seizures are common in conditions like juvenile myoclonic epilepsy but can also appear in other neurological disorders that impact motor control. In summary, the sudden jerks in myoclonic seizures are caused by rapid, abnormal electrical discharges in the brain's motor regions. These discharges lead to involuntary muscle contractions that happen very quickly, creating the characteristic shock-like jerks. If you or someone you know experiences these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. Remember, each person's experience with seizures can be different, so personalized medical advice is always best.